Look at my
bird. That's why you
Look
can
at-
have kids.
look at my map.
Oh my god.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look at me go with my timbs.
Let me go with my kids.
I took some big
You're fucking Naruto running with your fucking timbs on.
I was about to say, she's like Naruto running with timbs on.
Naruto running, but with timbs.
Oh my god. How do you do the Naruto run, dude? I need to figure it out. How do you do your arms?
I don't know it.
Just do it?
Oh my god, I can't breathe.
Oh my god, that looks so funny.
I'm fucking dying, like my stomach hurts.
I can just see Flo running in the background. It still looks just as funny.
It looks exactly like I do in real life, not gonna lie. Did you just slap your knee?
Look at go.
Look at her go. Like I'm just sitting here chilling, thinking what in tarnation. Oh shit! What the fuck? I fell in water. What?
There's a layer of water.
What the fuck? What in tornations?
What
What
insubordination?
in tornations is going on
And
here?
I'm dead. Look at me.
What is... Look at me swim in my timbs.
They didn't actually just have Timbs in this game, just straight up.
What in tornation?
Oh, wow. What a...
And
And I ran.
That's when she just
I
showed up
ran
on
so
me. And I ran.
Bro, I'm gonna have to go back and watch it.
My too.
Look at this piggy fucking doggy dog, dude.
Look at all
Oh.
the boys.
What in
Pick
tornations?
me up. What in tornation?
What is wrong with this level? Why are we in like shit
What
water? Why is it so damn dark? What is it?
Look at my teeth. You can see
Oh my
my
god.
fucking teeth.
Those aren't your teeth, those are your pearls, you dumbass. In my Timbs.
I'm drowning in my teeth.
Did you just slow down gravity to where I could jump like super high? No?
Oh
Yeah,
my
he
gosh.
is. That is messing with the. Oh my god, Flo, that's scary as shit. Why are you so close to the screen?
I'm drowning in my timbs.
Those are her pearls.
Look
Those
at
are
my
her
fucking
teeth.
No, they're my teeth now. Look at that fucking smile, dude.
Bro, those aren't your teeth. Stop it. No way. Oh my god, they
Dude,
are
they
your...
are.
They're either your teeth. Why am I getting carried away by a silhouette?
Oh my god, dude.
I can't stop her. I literally can't hit her. I'm just gonna die. Well... Hold on, hold me for a second. Hold me for a second.
What'd you say, fuck?
Fuck.
Fuck.
Fuck. Oh, there it is. There it is. Play the game. Oh my god! Bro, were we in fucking space? What was that? Wait, why did I say please pause? No, please unpause. Ow! I gotta boil some water real fast so I can make some tea.
Holy fuck, dude, I can't
Ooh, give me a
breathe.
second. Give me a second.
Guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
Tiptoeing in my Jordan, I came down, tiptoeing in my Jordan.
I was still here for that, and I heard it all and saw it all. Was that tiptoeing in my Jordan? Tiptoeing in my Jordan.
No, come back!
Oh god!
Naruto running after you. She just took the fuck off.
Oh my god! Ooh! What in
Just see her running
tornations?
past Naruto running with Tim's on. What in tornation?
Wait, what are you doing now? And prospector dead.
Oh my god.
What in tornations? Somebody stop this kid. Oh shit!
Oh my god.
He hit undead. He's in front of me. Look at him with the arm out. How did you hit her? What the fuck is that? What was that, bro?
It's fucking arms. They're like sticks.
She's just flailing around all over the goddamn place. What tornations?
I get all glitch.
Oh my god.
Help me. Help. I'm running. I'm running far away from this land. I have to go.
What the fuck is that?
Hold on, okay. Everyone. What the fuck? Okay.
I'm running away from this. I'm going all the way to the right. Here I can build my prospector land. Oh. To see you Naruto run and then take off flying is the funniest fucking thing.
Run into a fucking lift off.
Please, run like, hey, Flo, run halfway. Go left until I tell you you're okay. Oh, please.
And then just take off.
And then just take off flying.
I'm gonna go through it a little bit.
Alright. Alright, run. You did it.